Hey guys, I'm Rajdeep and this is demo video of Aether, a multi-domain swarm simulator. So to use the simulator, first we have to build a mission. We have to design that what we have to do. And to do that, we can do it in three ways. First is that you can code the mission directly using the libraries that I have created. Second way is that you can use the mission building UI, which I will show you now. So in mission building UI, you can build the mission in two ways actually. So what you can do is that you can build the mission manually or you can use the integrated AI mission builder. So as you can see, we have a map here. So if you want to simulate on a real world data, so what you can do is select the area on the map and it will pull the terrain for you. So let's say if you want to simulate it here on a mountainous terrain, what we can do is we can select the area and download terrain. So the terrain has been downloaded. Once the terrain has been downloaded, you can also view it in 3D. So you can see how it looks in 3D. Currently, I am pulling the terrain data from open source databases, so the resolution is not very high. But yeah. And now you can use the AI Mission Builder on top of it too. So what I've done here is that I've integrated Gemma 4B models and created a tool directory. So you can describe your mission in natural language, and it will look up tool directory to select the select the functions automatically for you. So Gemma 4B is not a very smart model, so functions are limited for now. So let's say, for example, we have to create a map. So you can also do it another way. Like if you don't want to use real world data, so you can generate a synthetic map. So you have to specify that. So currently we are using this map that we have selected. Use map terrain and add three agents. So it loads slowly because of the hardware issues, but yeah, it works. It works primitively for now. So yeah, as you can see at the corner of the map, we have loaded three agents. You can specify the location, like if you want it at the center of map or spread out. The default is at the corner of the map, and so you can use AI mission building window like this. And the other way is that you can manually put all the elements that you want. So for example, we have loaded the agents, and we can load target here. Let's say, and I want to simulate a mission that I want to destroy this target. So, but it is protected by anti-aircraft guns. So I can, which are put here, and and we can also put waypoints. So, for example, if I want to simulate if I can reach the target better from here or here, so I can put a waypoint to guide it through here. So these are the functions of mission building window. Okay, so now I'll show you the visualizing window, the dashboard through which you can visualize missions. So this is the dashboard. So in dashboard, you can visualize mission in two ways. If you have a very complex mission and you want optimum performance, so what you can do is run it headless and then record it, and then you can review it via visualizer. And other one is if you have a simple mission, you can just use the visualizer directly. So I will load a pre-made mission. It's a swarm attack mission. So as you can see, we have a C-shaped UAV. We have a swarm in C shape, and we have a target here. So this target is protected by two air anti-aircraft guns. So let's say if I'm a commander, I want to decide which shape is best for destroying the target with minimum loss. So I can simulate that. So the physics of anti-aircraft guns are pretty simple now. It's a probabilistic field. Any agents that enter it has some chance to get destroyed per second. So you can see here the number of agents that are present and they're going down 17, 16. So a C-shaped attack would result in 4 losses in this one. You can also see the logs here. I need to properly visualize the logs too. So yeah, target destroyed, two drones impacted, mission success. You can also, like I have made it very simple to use. You can also change a lot of things without coding. So for example, all of the configs are saved in a YML file. So this is the swarm attack file. So like currently we are using spawn position as C shape. We can we can provide it different shape. Like we can use lines or diamonds or any other shape that you want. So let's save it and load it again. So as you can see, this time it has loaded as lines. Let's go to 3D terrain and run the mission. So it will now run as line. So for the physics of this, I am currently using potential fields and the agents are attracted to the point. So that's why the line, the formation get destroyed in process. Okay, so we have huge losses in line formation. You can see only 11 agents are left. We get nine agents are destroyed. Target destroyed, three drones impacted. And you can also see exactly which drones are destroyed. Drone 16 impacted target, drone 15 impacted target. These are the drones which reach the target. And these are the drones which get destroyed. Threat 1 destroyed, drone 4. Threat are the basically anti-aircraft ones. Threat 0 is the left one, threat 1 is the right one. So yeah, this is the product.